Ala, ayaw na.
Sino ba meron dyan na ano? Hirap na balik. Hindi kasi
Masusunod mo.
Okay, so this is the cup. Okay, then of course these are the rubber tubing. No? One is connected to the manometer. Okay, another one is the rubber bulb. Okay, this is used for inflating and deflating. And of course, meron siyang knob. Okay, if you close it, it is clockwise. If you open it, counterclockwise. So, siyempre sa una, huwag naman yung masyadong masikip. Okay, just enough lamang to close. Okay? Kasi ba sobrang sikip naman, nakabay sa pasyente, ganun ka lang ganun, hindi mo naman mabuksan, di ba? And therefore, just enough, okay, na ma-close mo yan. Okay? So, it's also practice. So, kaya, it takes practice also, no? Di ba? To manipulate. Kaya, sa una, awkward sa'yo, lalo na sa demo, ganun ka na lang ganun, hindi mo paano, tapos nanginginig ka pa. And therefore, mag-aaral na kayo how to manipulate, how to handle. So, unang tingin, nakala mo, madali lang yan. Pag nandiyo ka na, nahihirapan ka. And therefore, it takes practice. Ito yun, ganun lang. Okay? And then ganun. Okay, next. And then, of course, you have the manometer. Okay, nakita niyo sa likod, kung paano magamit nun? Okay, you can adjust, di ba? Okay. Pang-clip yan eh. Either dito, nakahang yan, pag ganito. Di ba? Kaya lang, pag i-insert ninyo, i-assist ninyo ha, baka mamaya you can scrape the skin of the patient. Kaya nakapaya niya. Or, okay, clip it. Di ba, meron dito meron provided na space, tinanglan nyo. Okay, clip it. Dito. Dito. Pagkahang siyang ganyan. Or else, clip ninyo mismo dun sa, dun sa handle para stable siya. Pag nakaano niya. Kasi kung minsan pag nandito, as you inflate it, okay, it is moving. Kaya makita nyo later on, it will be out of your vision already. Kaya mamaya pagbasa nyo, nakaganon kayo. Okay, nakaganon kayo. Kaya dapat ay eye level. Kaya therefore, to make it stable, clip ninyo mismo dun sa ano niya. Okay, ganun ba? So yan, wala naman sa libro yan eh. Pero out of practice kasi nakita mo, di ba? Yung evidence-based. Nakita mo, paano kayo magagawa yun? Di ba? Kaya therefore, okay? Ngayon, so of course may dial siya, di ba? Okay, yung dial. And of course, natin yung obserbahan, di ba? Where it is pointed. And that of course will represent yung systolic reading and of course yung diastolic reading. Okay? Ano pa ba? So, ito na yan ha. Ano tayo pag-gamit? Let us see. Okay, so PCR, temperature, pulse rate, and respiration. That's for an adult. Temperature muna. Dahil 3 minutes yun eh. And therefore, kung 3 minutes yun, hindi ko na hihintay matapos yun. But instead, you proceed with the pulse rate. And then you proceed with the respiratory rate. So ngayon, when you're taking the pulse rate, siyempre, di ba, we're going to palpate for ang gagamitin natin ang radial pulse. Yung mga pulse site, mga radial site. Okay? And also, siyempre, it also takes practice, not to be familiar. So, when you feel, okay, when you have already located the radial pulse, make yourself familiar with the pulsation. Kasi kung minsan, sa pag when you feel it, you use your two fingers, okay, for middle, kung minsan also yung ring finger, ginagamit yung finger. But usually it is the, yung four and the middle finger, okay? And of course, it's along the groove, along the groove in line with the thumb, dito yun, okay? And therefore, of course, when you, if you want to locate it first, Okay, yung thumb niya, ay yung kanyang palm, the dorsum is of course, or palm is facing upward. But when you count it, okay, make sure that the palm is, down, facing down. Okay? Okay. Then of course, you apply pressure, not so strong, okay, kasi nga, you may completely obliterate, meaning, i-collapse na ninyo yung left piano, no? Kasi di ba i-press nyo yun, it might be pressed against the bone, and therefore you will not feel anything. So just to, locate it, hanapin nyo muna, nasa, ito na yata yun na. Okay, then of course, you feel for it, be familiar, then pagkatapos ay lighten yung pressure. Okay, so that you can feel the full bounding, okay, yung pulsation. And then you start counting. Huwag kayo magmamadali, hindi paghawak nyo, bilang na kayo kaagad. Hindi. So you have to be familiar first. Ay kuminsan also, dahil sa sobrang ninyong hawak, kuminsan, yung nakikita na rin yung sarili yung pulsation, di ba? Yung inyong okay, pwede yung makita nyo, baka merong okay? So therefore yun, okay. Let's see now, ano pa ba importante? Then of course, pagka regular, you can only count it for 30 seconds, di ba? Otherwise, irregular, and usually patients suffering from heart disease, make sure that you count it for 1 full minute. Ngayon, after you have counted the pulse rate, you pretend that you are still counting the pulse. So, you still have to maintain your hold of the wrist, but this time, you are already counting the respiration. Kaya sabi ko nga sa estudyante, do not look upward or anywhere pagka we are counting the pulse rate. But instead, I look up already at the direction of the chest of the patient. Kasi pagka halimbawa, natapos na kayo na, nakadukay na katingin, halimbawa, tumalayo ka na katingin, tapos maya-maya, dumuko kayo, titingin yung chest niya. Siyempre, kahit sino, makakonsyos, hindi mo titignan chest ko. Diba? Baka ganun pa yun. Kaya therefore, may conscious siya. Either he can hold his breath o kaya makakonsyos siya. Kaya dapat, para diretsyo na, tumingin ka ng ganun sa kanya, nakahawa ka na, tingin ka na. Para mamaya, di ba? You can slacken o kaya lighten your yung hold mo dito, pero pretending as if you're counting. Pero yun pala, nasa chest ka na. Okay? Mga question ngayon. Alin titignan mo sa chest? Siyempre, yung rise and fall of the chest. Okay. Alin yung side ng chest? Okay. Is it the upper or the lower? The lower. Okay. And therefore, yung lower side, the chest wall, which is also the middle. The middle ng ating abdomen. Okay, yung upper portion ng abdomen, lower chest wall. So, dito, gitna, in other words. Okay? Paano nyo gagawin yun? Sabi sa libro, pwede na yung arm is held, or placed across the abdomen or across the chest, ganyan, para obvious. Okay, otherwise, nakaupo ang pasyente, alangan na i-ganon mo rin. Diba? So just, observe for the rise and fall of the lower chest wall. Okay? Ano pa ba importante? Okay, yun ang amuin tayo, no? Okay, as we go on, kasi I can, okay.